Hello, sir? No. You got it wrong. I want to take your money. Like,
what are you doing?
What?
You do no. We're scamming people here.
What?
Here, let me try.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Have you talked about your car's extended warranty? Have you talked about your car's extended? See, look at what you did. You made me.
I didn't do it. You did it.
No, go into the kitchen and get us some food.
Okay. Dude, there's something wrong with the dishwasher.
I don't care. Did you get frozen?
Dude.
Okay.
Do you not hear it?
Oh. Let's just go to bed, okay?
Dude, I don't live here. Oh my god. Where'd you get your hair done?
It's really
you?
ugly.
What's happening?
Oh my god. Your house is really ugly.
Here's
No customer service. I didn't even get like a little mint in the dishwasher. How do you expect me to survive?
I don't like you.
Oh no, Gerald! She was so hot. Jeez, man.
What?
Your blood's like that? I think you should have got that checked out. That wasn't in the script.
Just go with it. Anyways, I'm gonna keep teleporting and following you around and staring at you.
Let's go on a field trip to there.
Oh, set the date.
Okay, bye. See you later.
Bye, girls.
Man, I really liked that girl. She was kind of cool, but she was really crazy. And she killed off my boss. But low-key, that boss was kind of crazy too. Man, if I had a cat with her, could have got coffee that day. Maybe had a plate or two. I really miss her. Really wish she was there.